Hello viewers, here I'm sharing with you tutorial on how you can create a Facebook business page. Are you watching my video for the first time or connecting with me the first time? Can you do as well to click on that button below so you connect with my space so you don't miss my next video few seconds from now. So on this tutorial which I'm going to share with you how you can create a Facebook business page. Are you a content creator? Are you a business person, a business owner, a small business owner, online vendor? You absolutely need a Facebook page to run your business, and that is a Facebook business page. If you are using a professional account or your personal account, converting it into professional mode, it is good. But if you are in for content creation, an ideal way is to create a Facebook business page. Don't forget that. So that is my advice for you. You need a Facebook business page. So in this tutorial, I will teach you step-by-step guide how you can create a Facebook business page from start to finish. If you are new to content creation or you want to start to content creation, here is the tutorial you need. On this my space, I share about business ideas, growth and expansion. So in this tutorial, follow me to the end. Don't watch halfway, because if you watch halfway, you won't understand how to create a Facebook business page. So let's dive straight into creating a Facebook business page. Don't forget to click that like button and also connect with me so you don't miss my next video.
We are going to be using a popularly known browser, which is a Chrome browser, which you can see here. So we dive straight into searching on, or go to website here, search for web.facebook.com. I want you to carefully go through this video to the end, because after this, I'm sure you are going to be eyes open to know how to create a Facebook page as well business page. So you can see this. If you may eventually come to experience something like this once you log in to click on that link. What you have to do is to come here, because this will give you just an Android interface. What I just did here now is converting my Android interface to a PC interface. What do I mean? A laptop interface. So just like assuming me, I'm using a laptop. So I will just come here and click on desktop site. So it will give me a desktop interface. So someone who is using a PC and someone who is using an Android phone, this is exactly what you are going to see on the screen. So I come here to type my login details. So I'm logging into my account. I'm now in my Facebook account. So what next is to go to this dotted line at the top right corner before the messenger icon. That is this dot line here. Click on it. You look for where is written pages. You can see pages here. Click on pages and you can see where they write create new profile or pages by the left corner of the screen. Here you can see it. You click on create. Now you can choose zip personal profile, public page, or you want to upgrade your existing profile to a professional mode. You can see that. So I'm going to explain also that on my next video. So we are creating a Facebook page, a Facebook business page. Likewise, you can call it whichever way. So here is getting, you see where is written beneath, get advanced professional tools, assign access to others. I'm going to explain in my next video the advantages of you having a page, and also the disadvantages of you turning your personal profile to a business page, that is professional mode. There are certain features that will be limited if you are using a professional account than when you are using a Facebook page. because Facebook page have more features than the professional account. That I'm going to explain on my next video. Do as well to subscribe, so when I post the next video, you will be the first to watch the video. So we go forward to clicking on the public page, because we are creating a public page. It is a page you are creating here. So this is aspect of this tutorial. So we click next, and you can see what is written here. Create a page to engage new customer and fans, use advanced professional tool, assign access to others. Yeah, I'm going to explain also on my next video. Giving admin to your someone to run your page. That person can be an admin to post content, why, or do advertisement. Not giving that person full control. You only have the full control, but the person can use your page to do advertisement or post content and so on, but cannot delete your page. You get, but can only post, while you can only do the full control, which is deletion or monetization or so ever. So I'm going to explain that too on my next video. So we are through with this. Get actionable insights, that is to see views, reach, um, your audience insights, and so on. That is the advantage of having a Facebook page, a normal page. So you can see reach more people and so on. So we click on get started. After reviewing the page terms and condition, Facebook policy, you go through it and you click on get started. So here you're going to put your page name. You can see at the left corner of the screen, you can see page name required. You can put, so we are using Joseph businessman backup page. That's what we are using. And a we are using a category. What is a category? Category is the part where your page is being placed on. Are you creating that page for just for business, or are you creating the page for content? Are you creating the page for as a public figure, like an artist, well known? So there are different categories. So let's dive straight. You can search, you can see digital creator, you can search, you can see, let's go public, you can see publisher. Maybe you are into publishing, you are into public service and so on. Let's go to game. You can see people, game video creator, people who are into animation, game and so on. So you can use this. So these are different categories. So I'm using digital creator because my content is about digital creating. Content, videos, posts, all are digital. So the bio talks about what is all about your page. My page is all about, you can put business, you can put growth, business, growth, and expansion. So you can put different bio, the one that resonates with your Facebook page. And one thing importantly is your Joseph businessman, like this page here. If you are creating a page, make sure that your page align with your niche, because you are not just creating the page for creating sake. You are creating it so that you align with your niche. You can see where some people talk about tech. There is tech. They can put tech there. They can talk about computer. They can talk about IT and so on. You get. So some people put catering. They talk about you. You know that this page is all about catering service and so on. So it's all about you creating a brand, or you are creating a business page. You understand me? So hope you are getting it clear. So there are times where you finish all this, you look for where to put create, but you can't find it here. It is just at the left corner beneath the this tab. So you just have to refresh this page again to see the create button. So here you can see the create button. You can see the create button below. You can see it over here. So once you click on the create button, click on the create button here, it automatically creates a page and it will become public immediately. So let's click on the create button. So you can see we have successfully created this page. Hope you gain value. Don't forget to like, follow, subscribe to my channel. I'm now on my new page. So this is how to create a Facebook page. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also click on the notification bell so you will be the first to get my next video. Thank you.